Hop into the 2023 Nissan Kicks. This Nissan Kicks packs a lot of fun into an efficient, compact package. Enjoy the benefit of its spacious interior, comfortable ride, ample cargo space, and touchscreen infotainment. It's big on safety too. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, satellite radio, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection. Get plenty of room without sacrificing efficiency in this good-looking Kicks. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.